My name is James Kennedy. I'm the executive chef with White Spot and Triple O's Restaurants. I love blueberries. I grew up with blueberry pancakes, blueberry pies, like I think most people did. At White Spot, we've been using local products since 1928. It is really part of our DNA. We purchase approximately 55,000 pounds of blueberries a year. Literally, we can almost walk outside our restaurant doors and find the local blueberries. It's not just the fact that it's local, but it tastes better, it's fresh, it comes right to our door, right from the field. Today we're going to do actually a blueberry and halloumi salad. So we're going to kind of marry up the blueberries, fresh BC blueberries of course, with a little bit of a salty grilled halloumi. Well, this really is a great recipe for families. It's made for, you can make two recipes out of it. And I think it's got enough really interesting components that everyone's going to enjoy something in that salad. The halloumi cheese is actually a Cypriot cheese, a little slightly hard, slightly salty, but when it's done with our lemon grilling sauce, it just works together so nicely, and it just has that lemon blueberry flavor, which just works really well. I think it's really important also with the halloumi to give it the time with the vinaigrette marinade, and then really don't be shy about grilling it. We call it mise en place in the restaurant, that always have your ingredients ready to go, have everything pre-done, and then it's so simple to produce. But what we'll be using is some fresh local artisan greens. With the greens, we're going to toss it with a very nice light sherry vinaigrette. And then into that, we're using some local BC Gala apples. We're using some dried apples actually, which just sort of have a really nice crunch to them. The dressing is really simple. It's a sherry vinaigrette. So it's just really sherry, olive oil, honey, basil, and parsley. So just pureed together. A little bit of red onion helps emulsify the dressing, so it holds together nicely. And it's got just that really nice little sherry bite with a touch of honey that just seems to complement it, especially the blueberry, and then the halloumi just sort of falls in underneath it. We'll also go with some dried, slightly spicy pecans to give a bit of a spice component to it. Then of course the BC blueberries and also the grilled halloumi cheese. This is a great tasting salad. It really is all about the blueberries, has lots of components the blueberries play off against. I think it's going to be something that everyone's going to enjoy.